This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 19th of March. James Spann here is advertised. Today, picture perfect. Tomorrow looks great, but boy, things change in a hurry on Sunday. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. Look at the Tuscaloosa camera. Severe clear. Gotta love that blue sky and sunshine that is looking north from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. On the eastern side of the state, that's the same view. That's looking east from the Gadsden Skycam. And way down south, peak at the Alabama Gulf Coast, bright sunshine down there. That's the Skycam at Dauphin Island on a beautifully sunny mid-March day. Got ridging aloft here. That's the reason for the great weather today. Here comes our next storm digging down through the Rockies. And man, that's going to produce a big snow for states like Oklahoma and Kansas, and maybe even parts of North Texas getting in on that. But no talk about snow around here today. Temperatures at 1 o'clock. These are early afternoon, sitting around 70. In fact, it is 70 in Tuscaloosa. Birmingham at 69. Most spots will wind up with a high in the low 70s today. And tomorrow should be even warmer. Here's our watch warning map, and you can see the big mess out to the west. Winter storm watches and warnings up for a large chunk of Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle, parts of Kansas, extreme northwest Arkansas, and the southwestern part of Missouri. Colorado, the mountains out there getting slammed with snow. And I'm telling you what, some folks out there, based on some of the guidance we're seeing, could wind up with over a foot in Oklahoma. Wouldn't that be something for mid-March? In terms of severe weather, this is the day one convective outlook. Very low-end probabilities for the rest of today and tonight for parts of Texas and South Oklahoma. That is, again, below the slight risk criteria. Tomorrow, a slight risk for the southeast parishes of Louisiana and coastal Mississippi, and that's about it. And as we've talked about for days, there is just no instability up here. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, low-end probabilities off to the east. Here's the QPF chart. Again, the thing that catches our attention is that 3-inch bullseye around Tulsa, Oklahoma. And by golly, a lot of that's going to come down as snow. I mean, you do the conversion. You multiply 3 times 10 and see what you come up with. I'm not saying it's all going to come down as snow, but this could be a whopper out there. One they might be talking about for a long time. Let's look at the modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow. There's your trough digging down into Texas. Down below that, rain over southeastern Texas, snow for Oklahoma, Missouri, parts of Kansas. But around here, we'll be in great shape. Partly sunny, mild and breezy, mid-70s. Yes. But on Sunday, look at that. This is Sunday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, midday. Very, very deep upper low developing around Greenville, Mississippi. And down below that, again, that suggests a whopper of a snow going on right there for Tulsa and Fort Smith and Fayetteville and Springfield. And around here, more than likely, the heavier storm should be in Georgia at that point. The storm's coming through Sunday morning, probably between 6 and noon. We'll look at the RPM model. This is valid at 6 o'clock Sunday. And again, look at the snow out there over Texas and in Louisiana. Are you kidding me? And again, I think that the guidance is, or at least the model, does not show the snow properly over northwest Arkansas. I think it'll be snowing to beat the band up there. But around here, notice just a band of showers coming through, and really no enhanced echoes on the what should be a radar projection here because of the lack of instability. And there's the Cape. It's got a little tongue of surface-based instability, but again, I'm not impressed. We just don't think it's going to be an issue. Having said that, we'll watch it. You never know with these things, but it looks like it'll just come through with rain, maybe some thunder, rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch. And then Monday, the upper low is near Atlanta and Chattanooga. And down below that, that looks like a pretty raw day. Cloudy, cold, maybe some drizzle in spots. And yeah, maybe some snowflakes up on the high terrain of northeast Alabama. Get up there toward Mentone, maybe up toward Chattanooga, Signal Mountain, Lookout Mountain. But just we'll be in the 40s, I think, most of the day with clouds. Tuesday, we break out of that. That system's gone. Sunny and warmer. We'll be in the 60s. Wednesday looks fantastic of next week. Sunny with a high close to 70. Thursday, here comes the next shortwave over Texas. And down below that, this run, again, keeps the rain west of the state during the day Thursday and kind of moves it in here Thursday night. So looks like we can adjust the forecast a little bit and indicate Thursday will be dry during the day, and then Friday will be wet. A broad surface low coming through with the shortwave. This latest series of runs not as aggressive with the rain. But again, we'll fine-tune that next week. But certainly it looks like a good chance of getting wet at the end of next week. And then the following day, Saturday the 27th, we're dry and mild. Check the end of the forecast, April 4th. Look at the ridge over the southeast. That's warm. And big upper low off to the west, and that ridge would keep us pretty warm. We might be flirting with 80 out there if this is right. Big storm over the heartland with thunderstorms off to the west. But, of course, every run out there looks different, pure voodoo, and this will change again and again. We're just peaking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. I invite you to watch us on the tube this evening. If you're local to us, that's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, weekend, and God bless.
Weather.